Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can use common herbs for beautiful and flawless skin. In addition to enhancing the taste of food, many herbs also have strong anti-aging properties. And best of all, you can find many of them at your local grocery store year-round. There was a time when most people thought about herbs and spices almost strictly in terms of culinary use, to add flavor and zest to a variety of dishes. Today, though, more and more are realizing that apart from their great taste, they can also bring with them a wide variety of health benefits and alleviate a great many different conditions and diseases. There are even herbs that can play a role in good health and fight off the aging process. Basil can work for skin cell renewal. Skin is vulnerable to the passage of time and to exposure to sunlight, wind, and air pollution, among many other things. Basil, however, can help with skin cell renewal and regeneration. This is because it contains strong antioxidants that reduce the oxidative damage done to the skin, and at the same time can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and make your skin feel smoother and younger. Basil can be enjoyed with meals, or it can be used as a simple anti-aging skincare remedy. To make a mask, finely chop 1 tablespoon of basil and combine it with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes before applying it to your skin. Then rinse off after 20 minutes with warm water. This treatment mask will fight dullness and repair skin damage for a glowing complexion. Mint leaves are useful for anti-aging. They will freshen up tired skin and heal it. Mint leaves can do a lot in order to assist you in getting beautiful skin. The leaves are an antiseptic and cleanser. They can help to reduce acne and brighten the skin. Eating mint can soothe skin conditions like rosacea, eczema, and acne. To make a mint face mask, crush some mint leaves into a fine paste. Add a little bit of turmeric powder. Now wash your face with warm water and apply this mixture all over. Allowing it to dry, leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash your face with some icy water. This mask is helpful to make your skin gentle, therefore bringing a glow to your face. You can also take a handful of mint, place it in 2 cups of hot water, and refrigerate the mixture for a soothing toner. Sage can help with inflammation reduction. One of the things which can speed up the aging process and leave people feeling much older than they actually are is chronic inflammation. One of the herbs which can treat this is sage, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it a useful herb for the natural treatment of many chronic inflammatory conditions, like arthritis, atherosclerosis, and asthma, among many others. Sage helps to calm inflammation and eliminate impurities. This herb is especially beneficial for people who suffer from adult acne, because of its strong antibacterial properties. Either add sage to warm water and use it as a compress, or put sage leaves in boiling water to make an invigorating skin cleanser. Now these wonderful herbs can be used for their health benefits versus just their culinary uses. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.